That shingle is free. Okay. Do a quick glance at the shingle. You can see the granules just falling off of that. I mean, I'm literally just moving the shingle up and down. I'm not rubbing it or nothing. You can see here are the tear that occurred just to break the seal strip. I'm not sure if you can see that right there and right here. Without further ado, I will then set the test shingle aside to remove or nail flat the fasteners that aren't laying flat at the moment, because everything needs to be laying flat in order for the shingles to sit flush against the decking. So I'll grab my pry bar here. Too hard, I just nail them back down the deck in. I'm not trying to bend or have the shingle up more than I need to. Whatever nail I can bring out, I'll go. I'll be nailing one flat. In the deck. I believe we got it. There's one nail right here that needs to come out as well. Yes, sir. See, all shingles are laying outside again. We'll then grab some new fasteners. Make sure we're still recording. Yes, sir, we are. I will install that shingle back into that space. One more nail. test shingle is back. Flush. Where it was at originally. I'll install the fasteners, with new fasteners, of course. Again, only going high enough for my hammer to be at a flush height for me to nail these at a flat surface. Just above here so I don't hit the shingle coming down. Typically I take my palm and I put it underneath there, and that's relatively about as high as I need to go. Palm, nail. Palm, nail. Palm, nail. Palm, palm. And you gotta go palm high. There's no way I can get this. Some of the breeze gonna tear when I pick it up. So I can barely, this is as high as it'll let me lift it. Palm. Palm. Nail. Palm. Nail. More fasteners. Sure, we're still recording. We are. Great. Four. Fastener on each side of it. Again, palm, flush hammer, that went to a pre-existing hole. I'm gonna hammer another one. One more on this side, palm. All fasteners are added back. All shingles will sit flush now. And are sitting flush. All right, let's bring y'all in close. Again, just want to reiterate, common tools are used. Standard pry bar, standard hammer, and a putty knife just to have a little bit more leverage in getting that seal strip broke. You'll use standard fasteners as well. So let's go over here to our control real quick while I'll have y'all here. Control is essentially before, and the repairability test is the after, again, like I said earlier. So control looks fine. No tears, no granulation, no linear creasing. All looks good. We move over to the repairability test. You can just see, I mean, you can see all the granules just on the tarp here alone. That's easy for you to see, and there's you can even hear them down here. One thing to look at is the seal strip is not pliable to work with. I mean, and these things are stuck like glue, and these shingles are not pliable as well. I mean, here's a tear on 3, a bigger tear on 3, 3 tears on 3. We've got a shingle 1, so it has 1 tear on shingle 1, 2 actually, sorry. I mean, I'm just barely rubbing my hand across here, and you can just see the granules just leaking down. Any tears on test shingle on 1, 2 on the test shingle. Let's move to 4. Test shingle 4 has a little tear right here. 2, 1, 2. 2 tears on 2. And you can just see, I mean, when I do that, the granules just want to come down. Re-showing the tears. You can just see the area after it was worked with compared to the control center, how much granulation is going on here. Therefore, in my professional opinion in doing this, I don't think this roof deems repairable. This is going to be a full roof replacement, as there's damages on every slope of the house. If you have any questions, please contact me at 512-269-7282. Again, 512-269-7282. My name is Colby Lopez, and I'm with WIT Contracting Solutions. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.